Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be doing DriftingBlues 1 from VulnHub. This box is rated about solid easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so to get started I'm actually going to open my terminals here. Let me just split these. So I'm going to run a netdiscover SR 10.0.0.1/24/IET0. Here we do get a VMware machine of 10.0.0.168. So we can do mmat minus SC, we'll do minus SV, we'll scan all ports on that machine. We'll also do, we can just press enter. I was going to do verbose, but I forgot this is my local host, so it scans faster, right? So here, let's just visit the URL. Looking at this, we just see that this is designed by Templo MO. We also do have DriftingBlues.box, so you can actually add this to your /etc host file. If you do see, I already done this box, so it's I put the IP address and also DriftingBlues.box. So we can just quit out of this. So now we should be able to visit our this domain, right? So we can do Control U. Scrolling down, we do see that there is a hash under here. So you do see that there is a hash right here, which is base 64. Let's try to decode this. So we can just do echo. We could just do base 64 minus D. We do see that we have no forking fish.txt. But before that, let's run a GoBuster. So we'll do a GoBuster to remote minus U. We'll also specify the let's specify the website. So we can just copy this. Let me delete this. Alright, and we can use our user share word list dirtbuster. We'll do /directory list 2.3 medium.txt. We'll do extensions at HTML, TXT. And also we'll do /php, right? PHP. So we do have our index.html, image, CSS, JS, and secret.html. So let's try to visit our secret/html. We could delete the source code. Right here it just says dig deeper, maybe you. We can just do Control U to view the source code. It doesn't seem like we have anything here, right? So next, let's try to actually use GoBuster to search for some, or actually let's visit our no fork fishing.txt. So we can just do press enter on that. Look at this. If you just copy one of these and search this up, you will see that this is a programming language. Actually, it doesn't search up, but it is a programming language, right? So let's actually search up decode this. We can use let's see. Yeah, this is the one I use. So we can just Control C out of Control C this. We can go to text or OK to text. Look at this to show that we can. This is my man. I know you're new, but you should know how to use the host file to reach our secret location, right? So that means there's virtual hosting on this machine, right? So let's run another GoBuster. We'll do GoBuster. We'll do vhost for virtual hosting. We'll do -u for HTTP. We can just do let's see. So we can just copy this. We'll do -w. I have mine under user share word list. Mine's under DNS. We'll do subdomains top 1 million.txt. Because I have two HTTPs here. Looking at this, I did find test driftingblues.com or .box. So let's visit this here. The reason this is not working is because this is not in our slash etc host. So we'll vi into slash etc hosts. Here we can just tab and press Control V. Let me actually delete this and also delete the HTTP because it just needs the domain. So we can press enter on that, and it says work in progress, Eric. We can do Control U. It doesn't seem like anything's there, so we can just go buster this now. So I'm gonna go buster. We'll do dir mode -u HTTP, or I'll just Control V that. We'll use the same word list as the bottom. We'll do go buster, dir buster, or dir buster directory list 2.3 medium.txt. We can press enter on this. Let me try specifying the extensions as HTML, PHP, and also TXT. So we do have robots.txt here, so let's visit our robots.txt. Here we do have sshcred.txt. So we can visit that. Right here it says we can use the SSH password in case of emergency, which we do have a password right here. Let's put this in here. Shirley once told me that she added a number to the end of the password, right? So I'm gonna cd into my VulnHub and also drifting. I did create a small Python script called generate.py. So I'm gonna actually just move vi into generate.py. Here I just imported the random. I did numbers. I created a list for the numbers from 1 to 9, including 0, right? I did specify the password. I created a function here, and I created random numbers for each one. I don't think this is really necessary. All I did was print out use an array to print out each section, right, as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I generate the numbers. So I quit this. I'm gonna just chmod into +x to generate. So we'll do Python 3 generate.py. Here it does generate our word list. So let's copy this here. We can we'll vi into word list .txt. We'll paste those in here. We'll right quit. Now we do have our word list, right, to start brute forcing. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna use Hydra -l. We'll specify the user as we did have 2 users. We have DB. We do have Shirley. We'll use this user at first. We can specify word list. We'll do SSH for the IP address. We can press enter on that. We'll do -i so I don't restore the session. And it's found no password. So looking back at here, we do have 2 users here as Shirley or Shirley, I'm not sure. We also do have Eric, so let's try the user Eric now. And looking at this, we do get a valid credential as Eric, and here's the password. So I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna do SSH. We'll log in as Eric. We can press yes. Now we do have a password here. We can do ls, and now we are Eric. So let's check our IDs first. First thing I like doing is sudo -l since we do have a password. We can do Control V. We can't run sudo on here, right? So looking here, we're going to go under the var, right, and ls. So I do have a prevs that I have for cron job. So if I go into var, cd into backups, you will see that this backup is a cron job. So let's cat our backup.sh. So we can vi into prevs.txt. I got this from, it was I forgot, it was Hacktricks, I believe. It was a cron path, right? So looking at this, we do see that this is a cron tab. Let's go to var, or I think it was under /temp actually. Yeah, we do see that this is a cron tab. So here we can try to execute some command or script without setting the path. So here we actually want to set our, let me just quit this. We'll nano into our privesc. So here we can just copy this command right here. But we're going to change a little bit of this here. So under the temp, we can actually go to was it temp, or I think it was under /var, I believe. We can go under backups. Let's cat our backup.sh. You do see that we can actually use temp/emergency. So cd into temp. Let's copy this here. Copying this, we can actually use emergency since it is going to execute for us. So we can output this to /temp emergency. We can name this whatever we want. So let's name this temp / I'll name this get root. We can name this get root, press enter, ls. We'll do chmod +x as emergency. And here we can wait actually a little bit of time since this is a cron job. We can type in date. I'm really not sure when this executes, but this should give us a generate a new binary as root, right? So I believe this executes every 2 minutes. I'm really not sure. And we do have a new file as get root. So now we can just do get root, and right here it just show that we can execute our temp bash, which is basically our get root, as -p to get the UID and GID, right? So we can do -p. Now we do ID, and now we are under root, right? So now we can go cd root and cat our root.txt, right? If you did want the, if I go into cd/home Eric, you can cat out your user.txt right here, right? And there's our root.txt. Alright guys, well that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.